What's going on, Shroot Stack Squad? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, do yourselves a favor, hit that subscribe button, come join the Discord, link is in the Patreon below, because we're making wealth out here. None of this is financial advice. Now let's get into the video. Alright fam, it's about 1 a.m. right now. You know, I'm grinding kind of late here, so please bear with me over the next month and a half, guys. You know, I got my board exams coming up soon, and you know, this schedule of mine is getting a little bit off, but I'm trying my best to keep you guys updated on all the plays and, you know, all the stuff that I'm doing. And I show you this journey to $1 million, open and transparent, just so you can see real time the ups and downs and everything in between. I show you every single time the 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year. And then, of course, the all-time, we're still up 30% all-time, but, you know, that's nothing compared to where we've been. You know, we've been saying this whole time, you know, buy the dip, and I'm showing you real hand. It's one thing we can say it, it's another thing to apply it. It's easier said than done in some situations. So, you know, this hurts to see, this 3-month chart, guys. I basically lost 60 grand in 3 months, and, you know, sometimes this is what ends up happening. And I'm sure some of you guys are down a lot of money too. You know, we can't just go by the number amount. Look at the percentage, and that's how you can see, you know, how you're doing. So 30% is still a big hit, but I'm sure we're going to be recovering in no time, guys. And when I say we're going to recover in no time, quite honestly, I say that word, and what the hell does no time mean? Let's be real. When I say we're going to recover in no time, what does that mean? That means I don't really know the date. Whenever you hear someone say that, that means they don't know what the hell they're saying. Like they don't know what the actual timeline is going to be. But let me give you a reference point, guys. Today in the Discord, people were getting upset. I've been looking at the entire market. You know, it's just red. Just take a look at this. Everything's been red, guys. We're going to be seeing red, in my opinion, up until the end of summer. Okay, when I say end of summer, I'm saying like July, August, really August, September. That's the time frame where I think we're going to start to see a switch in the market conditions. Up until then, though, it's going to be this green days, and then red, and then up green. We're going to be excited, and it's going to go down. It's really hard to play these things out, guys. And quite honestly, the only reason why this portfolio is still surviving the way it is, it's because of the really one stock that's carrying the thing, not Eaton. It's this Citius Pharmaceuticals. This one, we're still waiting on their phase 3 data, like the review from the DMC. They're going to be giving an interview out with Benzinga on I think it's May 13th, I want to say. And, you know, in one of their conference calls, Citius did mention that they're expecting this to get reviewed, you know, within the month of May. So I personally still see Citius going up. It's their sell-off, or the buy, what's it called? Buy the rumor, sell the news type of thing. It still hasn't happened yet. So I still think there's room to grow in this stock, and this is just the beginning for it. So let's see, another thing we got, guys. I've been telling you, Eaton is another pharmaceutical play, which I'm hoping to capitalize on. But again, these pharma plays, they've been working out okay for the most part, but they're still it's crazy. The market is typically, whenever we see these catalysts approaching and things like that, the prices increase, and, you know, we can go we can buy the rumor and then sell it off even before the news comes out. And that's what we're trying to do with Eaton. I'm still bullish on Eaton, guys, because they have 3 FDA approvals that are coming out by May 27th, 29th, and then there's one in June. So this one I'm hoping to keep going up until, you know, the May 26th time frame, and then, you know, get out from there. Today is still, you know, we still have a bunch of time to see this thing run up. So I'm not too worried about Eaton yet. Apple, you know, this is really tanking down now. This has been taking a hit. So, you know, it is what it is. I'm not too worried about having my money stored in Apple and Disney though. So that's there. We have those other FDA plays that we're doing, you know, VRCA, VRTX. A new one that we're playing out is CYCN. This one had a heavy CEO buy-in today, so I put in, you know, $3,000 into this one. And as usual, the second I buy in a stock, it's going to dip. So, you know, it is what it is there. We have, look at all the stocks, guys. Look at everything in this thing. Neo all the way down. Wow, Neo took a huge hit today. It's 8% down. Wow. Neo, Palantir, same situation, 8% down. Oh, guys, this is it's rough when you see at the end. It was just a straight free fall on the way down, but that's what it is. Now, BNGO, same situation. All of these stocks that we were bullish on before, they're kind of hitting the red now. Now, that's not to say you can't be bullish. It's all about how long you're willing to invest, guys. It's all about that. So, if you want to know which stocks to get in on and what to do and what's the right move here, I wish I could tell you which stocks are going to run up, which stock is going to be the play to go into. But honestly, right now, guys, crypto is seeming to be the one that's a little bit more stable than the other side of the equation. Now, that's not to say you don't want to buy in on the stocks at this time. What that means to me, guys, is this. Get in on the safer plays right now. Remember what I said, the money is going to go in the big market cap stocks, okay? And then it's going to eventually trickle back down into our other plays. So what have I been telling you guys from the beginning? This channel is about wealth. It's about wealth. To build wealth, guys, one of the first principles I taught you is you need to have a job. You need to have an income. You need to be doing a side hustle if you can, all right? This is not the time to just think, okay, I'm just going to trade and call it a day. You build out your portfolio like a cake, okay? What do I always say? Build a portfolio like a cake. Foundation layer, a middle layer, and a frosting layer on top, okay? Don't mimic my portfolio. This is not following that, all right? This is effectively a whole bunch of frosting layers, my portfolio here. What you guys want to do, though, check my beginner investing video out. Foundation, you pick 4 to 5 stocks, have 50 to 60% of your money in those, all right? Middle layer, have 30% of your money, again, 4 to 5 stocks. And then your frosting layer, that's where you just do the quicker, 6-month holds or whatever it is, and just ride those catalysts out, and then rinse and repeat, and that's how you do it, okay? Guys, this is how you build wealth. This is how I've come to this point. Everything I teach you guys in this channel has come from real life experience. This is not something I've read in a book. Trust me, I've read all the books that you could think of. Quite honestly, at the end of the day, it's going to take real effort. It's putting your money where your mouth is and actually seeing your money go up, seeing it go down, and how to react and that sort of thing. I've been in situations like this, guys, where I invested in Tesla. That was my first investment, and that tanked for like the next 8 months, guys. I was down 60-70% from my initial investment in Tesla for 7 months, like 6 to 8 months. And I'm down like 60-70%. That's a lot of money, as my first time investing. So I feel for you guys. A lot of you guys are panicking. You guys are like, especially when you lose your initial investment like that, it can definitely hit you. I just want to say, that's why I keep telling you guys, don't just fall for this stock will double up, this stock will hurry, this is going to do that. Go for the ones, invest in a way that will set you up for long-term success, guys. That's what I keep preaching, okay? That's why in this portfolio of mine is mainly the frosting layer. What all these other channels don't show you, even though they show you, oh, this stock will double, this stock will do this stock will do that. Why don't you think Warren Buffett puts his entire portfolio in it? Why doesn't he do it? If that one stock is going to double, why doesn't Warren Buffett just liquidate all of his cash and throw it in that one stock, which is going to double? It's called risk management, guys. And that's what something a lot of other channels don't teach you. And that's what I'm trying to explain to you. Build your portfolios like a cake, and then you can see success in the good times and the bad. No, I don't say you'll see success in the bad times, but you won't have as big of a loss in the bad times, is what I'm trying to say. And that's what I've been preaching from the beginning, if we just take a look at the whole entire market overall, pretty much everything is down. Like, really. Almost every single stock here is in the red, man, even CPSH, wow, this one really took a hit, 10% down. Holy cow. Yeah, this one really took a hit now. Zomedica did have a good after hours market, but even Tesla, man, some of these are good price entries to get in on, but Airbnb, wow, look at this thing. I mean, I'll tell you this, guys. If you're doing what I told you, working your 9 to 5s or whatever. If you're in school, then doing a side hustle. I don't care if you're just doing 9 to 5 or if you're still in school. Every person should be trying to do a side hustle. Okay, I made a video about it. Please go and take a look if you haven't yet. Every person should, if you're part of Shrewd Stock Squad, you're doing a side hustle. Okay, because the reason why I say this is because you need to have some form of income coming in, guys. That's the only way you're going to succeed in this thing. And the reason why I say it is because in times like this, you can take some of that side hustle money, and guess where you're going to put it? You're going to put it into Amazon. You're going to put it into Apple. You're going to put it into Airbnb. You're going to put it into these stocks that you know are going to do well. You know they will be doing well, and they're going to be there for a while. That's how we do it, and that's how we're going to win in the long term, okay? And like I'm just going through this thing right now. You know, I'm just seeing it for the first time today. But wow, look at even Amazon took a big hit. Lemonade, Rocket. Wow, Rocket Mortgage. This is sad. We're in a great housing market too, and it's still taking a hit. It really seems like most stocks are taking a hit, to be quite honest. Upwork. Wow, Upwork is $38. Oh my god. Wow, this is Upwork, in my opinion, is a good company too. If you haven't gotten in on that, that's a good one. Wow, Beyond Meat is also taking a hit. Jesus, when was the last time we saw? Wow, this is the lowest it's been in 1 year. The last time we saw 105 mark with Beyond Meat was all the way back here. Wow. So, like I'm saying, guys, if you have the money right now, there's a lot of cheap deals to go through. If you have the money sitting in there in your bank accounts, you have it coming in from your side hustles, your 9 to 5s, whatever it is, there's a lot of good buying opportunities, okay? You're going to regret this at one point, that why didn't I just capitalize on this? I wish I could have gotten in on this company at that price. I wish I got Tesla at 620. I wish I got Beyond Meat at 105. There's a lot of good companies and there's a lot of cheap deals right now. Take advantage of it, guys. Please do that. I know it's sad to see your portfolios tanking, and it's one thing for me to sit here all day long and say, you know, just hold on strong, don't sell, don't do this. I could say it all day long, guys, but I know it's easier said than done. But please, I've been in your shoes, and I show you this portfolio real time as well. In the end, if you're doing it in the right place and you're playing this thing strategically, you will succeed at the end of the day, guys. You will win. You will not, trust me, you will not lose all your money if you're following what I've been preaching here. You will be in a good position. Again, this is not financial advice, but you know what I'm saying, right? I just want the best for everyone here, and I know the struggles, all right? Comment down below if you were somehow up today for the day. If you were up for the day, I'm jealous, but hey, I'm happy for you. At least someone, please, someone today, let me know if you've been in the green. If you've been in the red, let us know how red you were, and let's just do this for the rest of the week. All right, let's stay together, family. We're gonna ride this wave out together. We've been riding the damn wave out, but we're gonna keep riding this whole thing out up until the end of summer. Once we see this market turn green again, and we're gonna make a lot of money. We're gonna make a lot of money, guys, and we're gonna make a lot of wealth. Okay. All right, guys. As usual, stay happy, stay healthy, and let's get wealthy. Take care.